Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to use task templates on Asana. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your Chrome, Safari, or any web browser that you want, and then proceed to app.asana.com. Simply sign in with your account, and then now you should go to My Task, or you should also go to your project. So for example, I will be here on my project. Just simply click on Add New on the upper left and then choose the task template. For example, click on it and then now you have used the task template. If you don't have that task template right here, you may create a template by going to the task that you want. For example, this one. Click on the three dots on the upper right and then click on Convert Task to Template. And then when you click on Add New on the upper left, you should now be able to see the Task Templates section. So that's it. That's how you can use task templates on Asana. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.